Welcome to this quick and simple yoga practice that will reset your energy, clear your mind, and help you feel more grounded in your body. Take a moment to arrange your space, remove distractions, and create an environment that feels good for you. We are going to begin seated. The only equipment you need is your mat and a folded blanket or pillow. Hi, I'm Jessi. Thank you for sharing your time with me. If you enjoy this practice, please help me by liking this video or subscribing to my channel for more holistic fitness and yoga tips. Let's begin by adjusting the hips so you can sit up nice and tall. Elevate the spine as we begin with 2 big cleansing breaths. Big inhale, breathing into your belly. Big open mouth exhale, letting everything else go. And let's do that again. Big breath, this moment, this practice, this body. Big exhale, letting everything else go. Take another big breath as you draw your shoulders up to your ears, and exhale, roll the shoulders back and down. Grab your knees and circle your torso around. Collect your attention and your energy as you find what feels good. Inhale to circle forward, exhale to circle back. Do that one more time, finding your own organic movement here, and then reverse the circle, go the opposite way. Inhale to circle forward, exhale to circle back. Relax your face, unhinge the jaw. One more. And then bring yourself to center. Take your arms up overhead. Big inhale. Big cactus elbows. So elbows go wide. Spread the fingers. Lift the chest to the ceiling. Take the arms up. Big breath. Find that length through the sides of the body. Then drop your right arm down. Left arm reaches up and over for a big side stretch. Move your left arm around in a circle. Again, find what feels good for your shoulder. Then bring it back to center. Take a big breath and drop the left arm down. Find your side stretch on the other side. Maybe keeping the right elbow bent as you move it around to help you open up. Use your core to bring it back to center. Sit up tall, take a breath, and then bring your arms behind you. Spread your fingers and walk your hands out. As you press your hands into the ground behind you, think about trying to open the shoulders and the chest. We're going to take 3 quick lion's breaths. Big inhale into the front of the body. Big open mouth exhale. As you exhale, stick your tongue out. This is you releasing any stuck, stagnant, negative energy. And do it again. Big breath. And a big lion's roar kind of exhale. Release any bad energy. One more time. Big breath. Big exhale. Let it go. Take your arms back up overhead, really lengthening through the sides of the body, and then fold forward. Hands down on the ground in front of you. Relax your head. Relax your shoulders. Soften your face and breathe into the back of the ribs. And as you exhale, draw your core in and use that connection to roll yourself back up. Shoulders back, head lifts. Now let's switch positions. Find all fours. Maybe place a cushion under your knees. Spread your fingers nice and wide. And circling forward into the fingertips, over to the side, back towards your feet, and over to the other side. Take a breath. Explore your corners. The body has to process everything you encounter. And this movement, this breath, is helping you sort through all the information you've downloaded. Big breath. One more circle, one more big breath. And then come to center. We're going to find down dog. So make sure the fingers are spread wide, big starfish-like hands. Tuck your toes under and lift your hips up. Let's keep this a dynamic downward facing dog, so pedaling the heels. Use your arms to push the ground away. Wrap your shoulder blades around the outsides of your armpits. Relax your head. Take a big breath. It's important, at least once a day, to get our head below our heart. This supports good circulation within the body-mind. Your mindfulness, your attention right here, right now, is helping you release anything you no longer need, anything that doesn't serve you. Another big breath. And a releasing exhale. And then lifting your heels, slowly bring your knees down to the floor so we're back on all fours. Let's do one more stretch. We call it thread the needle. Open your right arm up towards the ceiling, looking at your right thumb, shoulders back, and then bring that right arm down, thread it behind that left forearm. Drop your right shoulder, the right side of your head comes to the floor. And we're gonna breathe here. You've got your left hand there in front of your face, and you can use it as leverage or support. Take one more breath, and as you breathe in, let the sides of the ribs expand. Let's create space within the body. Use that left arm to help you unwind, taking that right arm all the way up, eyes on that right thumb, big open heart. And then the right hand comes down to the floor. And then we'll do that thread the needle stretch, other side. Left arm goes up with a big breath, big open chest. Left arm comes down and you thread the needle. Breathing into the sides of the ribs. This is an amazing stretch for opening up through the middle part of our back, which helps to relieve the pressure off of the lower back and the shoulders and the neck. Find what feels good, make your adjustments. Let's do one more big breath, and then make sure that right hand is in front of your face. Use it to help you as you unwind. Left arm goes all the way up, big breath, big open heart, and then that left arm comes down. We're going to complete our practice with the child's pose. Get comfortable, maybe putting your pillow or folded blanket behind your knees. Send your hips back towards your heels and bring your forehead to relax on the floor. Take a moment to make sure you're comfortable. Relax your shoulders and take a big breath into a soft belly. A nice, easy, soft exhale as you take a moment to pause, to allow yourself to slow down and really soak in the benefits of your practice today. Take another slow breath into a softened belly. Nice long exhale. Feeling and connecting to your body and knowing that you can take this connection to your center with you as you go back out into the rest of your day. Thank you for sharing your time and your practice with me. Remember, if you enjoyed this practice, help me out by liking, maybe subscribing. It's been lovely connecting with you today, and I hope to see you again soon.